You can stand there.
That's right. I was trying to figure it out. Your Honor, my client Raymond Reeves, he's got 6 pending felony cases and 3 misdemeanor cases. There has been an offer tendered to him by the state, and there's been a second offer tendered by the state, which is lower than the first offer. However, my client wants to hire another attorney and wants more time so he can figure this out.
Oh, Mr. Ruiz, if you come down, please. I see the file on Mr. Ruiz.
This right here is the moment everything becomes real. You can hear the hesitation, the confusion, but the judge isn't entertaining any of it. And honestly, this is what people don't realize about the system. Once your case reaches this stage, time is no longer your friend. The defendant is talking about switching attorneys, trying to slow things down, but the court is already moving forward. Trial is tomorrow. That's it. No safety net. No extra time to figure things out.
Bargain agreements without good cause. So we will see you tomorrow. Or if you would like to continue to sit in the box to confer with your attorney, you may do so, but we will see you tomorrow for jury trial.
May I ask a question?
Yes.
If he comes back tomorrow morning, is the state's offer still on the table?
Yes.
Okay,
According to the judge.
Yes.
thank you.
Yes.
Well,
It's on. So, Mr. Ruiz, it appears that the state is not going to keep their offer open tomorrow. And I have no control over that because the plea negotiations are between the state and your counsel. And I either accept or reject the plea. So it appears, and your counsel will be able to tell you, state, are you keeping this offer on the table for him tomorrow?
Day-to-day, the offer.
Right. So they're saying today is your day. Who's here on Sergio? Yes. What are we doing here? And counsel, you're on.
And just like that, it's over. What started as hesitation turns into a plea deal, and within minutes, we're hearing for years in prison. That's the weight of these decisions. One day, one choice, and your entire future changes. You can almost feel how fast it hits. There's no dramatic buildup, just a quiet, procedural sentence that carries years of someone's life.
Sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2022 CR 10134. All right.
That line right there, don't be the oldest person in prison. That's not just advice, that's a warning. Because the judge has seen this pattern before. People come in, make the same mistakes, cycle through the system, and before they know it, years are gone. It's blunt, but it's real.
CR 8814, State of Texas versus James Williams Brooks. That party is announced for the record for the state.
Renee
Defense.
Munoz on behalf of Mr. James Brooks.
And are you Mr. Brooks? Counsel, you received, and you're on the side. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Brooks, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I understand.
And did you sign it?
Yes,
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do so waive, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, ma'am, the judges.
Now, this is where things take a completely different turn. Second defendant, different charges, but more importantly, a completely different context. Mental health enters the picture, and suddenly this isn't just about punishment. It's about understanding what led here in the first place.
Agreements allow him to be supervised by the court. This is his only offense he's ever been charged with. And he does not have any criminal history aside from this charge, Judge.
All right. And who is he living with? Or is he living by himself?
I was with my parents.
All right. Are you employed?
I'm not employed.
All right. Off the record for a moment. Defense state, here's another question for you.
That's the second.
Oh,
I mean, please review that. All right. I'm sorry. No, come back up. I was just handing them a question from the
Okay.
jurors.
Yes, Your Honor, of course.
All right. So we were talking about your employment. What do you do? Or are you not employed?
I'm currently unemployed.
All right. So how do you spend your time?
I read a lot. currently looking for a job. I haven't really been able to keep a job, but I've been doing like manual labor the majority of the time. I haven't been working the past month. I've been working through staffing services and stuff like that.
All right, what's your diagnosis?
It's
This might be one of the most important moments in the entire video. The judge isn't yelling, isn't rushing. She's explaining something real. Mental illness doesn't just go away. And what she's saying about people stopping treatment when they feel better, that's something a lot of people struggle with. But here, the consequences aren't just personal, they're legal.
Get a release from you so they can talk to your case manager. Do you understand?
yes,
And how old are you?
25.
All right, are you on SSI or anything of that nature?
I'm not familiar with SSI.
Okay, so that means that you're going to have to get in, he's going to have to get employment,
Okay.
or either he's going to have to, if he's going through SSI, then he can look into that. How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school successfully.
This part feels almost like a life lecture, but in a good way, because the judge is calling out something deeper, not just the crime, but the mindset. Saying you have dreams is easy. Acting on them is the hard part. And that analogy, you can't just watch life pass you by and expect things to change.
His reporting, you can, but I just want to make sure that his case manager is seeing him on a regular basis before field visits are discontinued. So you all need to confer with his case manager. Proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors or anything involving animals.
Yes, sir.
So that means there's to be no working at the zoo or anything like that.
Humane Society or anything like that?
Nothing like that.
Yes, sir.
Probation. Is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No,
And in the end, you see the difference. Clearly, point one defendant walks away with 4 years in prison. The other get a second chance, but with strict conditions and a lot of responsibility. That's the reality of the courtroom. It's not just about what you did, it's about your history, your mindset, and whether the court believes you can change.